Hello, my dear student. Good morning. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
If you are ready for the lesson today, we are going to learn writing number name, and we are dealing with a very large number. We cannot how to write. Okay, don't worry. I'm teaching you how to write, and especially there are two kinds of system of writing in numbers. That is Indian system and international system. And shall learn international system in the next video. In the next time we shall learn Indian system. Okay. At first we shall learn how to say the place value of each number. Okay. From the first, let's start. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. Once again, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, crore, 10 lakh, crore. Now you say
1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore.
wow. Can you say like this? Come here. 1,
1, 10, 100, 1000,
10,000, lakh, 10 lakh,
crore.
crore. You can say easily. This is in the Indian system. Just look here carefully that the comma is inserted here after 3 digits. Then after every 2 digits. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So we have to insert the comma here also after 2 digit. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This 2 digit is for the 10 for 1 and 10,000. 1 and 10 lakh. Okay? So let's start. At first we write the name of the 4.
Yes, sir.
What is the name of the 4? By place value 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Then 4 crore, 4 crore, and let us count again 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh means 8 and 3. 3 also is in place of lakh. Okay, so we write 83 lakh. 83 lakh, and let us count 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Means if 10,000 we take 2 digit called 74. Name of the 74, 74, what?
F-O-U-R.
Thousand, Thou SAND, 74,650. 6 each in 100 place. 6 100 50 FIFT by 50. Wow, one is done for you. So we shall start the next one. You already know how to count the 6. Name of the 6. What? Crore, yeah.
C-R-O-R.
Yes, crore. Then 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh means we have not inserted the comma yet. 34. 34 is in between 2 comma. So 34. Name of this is 30
F-O-U-R.
4
L-A-K.
lakh. 34 lakh. What is 80,000 years? 80 80,000. 80,000. 0 100 is no need to write, and only 15. 15. Wow, the number B also is done. the last number I am helping you to do is that what is the number? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So we insert comma at the after 3 digit 1, 10, 100. And then after every 2 digit. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This 5 is
Crore.
5 crore. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
5
Crore.
crore 42 42 what? Lakh. Yes. 38
Thousand.
38
THIRTY.
thousand. 38,000 and 10 only, because 0 100 is no need to write, only 10. Wow, is finished. The last one 5 crore.
5 crore.
5
Crore.
5
5 crore.
crore 5 crore 0 lakh 30,000
30,000.
30,000
Thousand.
30,000 108 108. So far you have learned how to write the number names of the large number. So hope you too can write the number names. So I am giving the homework for you. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. This is homework for you. Write the following in word in Indian system in word, and I have done the number up to D, from 1 to D, and from E to N is for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you can pause your video and you can copy the question first of all in your copy.
Yes, sir.
Then you can submit to your teacher. Okay, bye. We shall learn the international system in the next video. Hope to see you. Thank you.